Here we have another juice shot, the beetroot shot. Another way to ensure your health is at its peak. And here is how you make the beetroot shot. So we're simply going to just juice the beetroot in the juicer. You can make a batch, however many you like. I'm just going to make a couple here, so you can buy a bunch of beetroot and then simply organic, preferably, and then you simply need to cut off the hard ends of each beetroot. Ends off each side of all the beetroots, like so. Then you need to simply turn on your juicer, simply add it to the juicer. The noise is normal, just doing its work, getting through the beetroot, getting the maximum possible juice out of it. Turn your juice off and simply release the valve, beetroot juice in the container. Then you simply just need to pour it into your shot glass. There you have your freshly extracted beetroot shot, loaded with nitrates. Excellent for athletes, great for anyone that wants more energy, better skin. So many different vitamins and minerals. Just like the ginger shot, just like the wheatgrass shot, it will have a significant impact on your life. This pure liquid nutrition is not something you get from eating it because you may not eat enough. And the people will say, well, why can't I just eat it? And the question is, well, do you eat it? If you do, then fair enough, but most people don't. I certainly didn't. And it's a way of getting it in your body fast and in a way that's not too hard. Like if I was to eat it, it would be quite hard. So this is a way of doing it quickly. One of the best ways to add to your health insurance, add this with your wheatgrass shot and ginger shot and you'll be on your way to optimum health. Cheers. If you have liked this video of how to make all the different juice shots, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and share with anyone that you know that would benefit from this for more videos coming very soon.